Hello everyone, Josh here and welcome to our YouTube channel. As we know, staying connected is more important than ever in today's era, and messaging platforms aim to make communication seamless. That's where apps like WaLastseen take it a step further by offering advanced WhatsApp tracking capabilities. For many of you, this name might be new. Therefore, I'll walk you through detailed guidance about the application in this video. I'll also discuss how to add contacts or links and how to monitor WhatsApp contacts using its powerful tracking features. From getting instant notifications when contacts come online to customizing tracking times, this video will help you make the most of WaLastseen and stay connected like never before. Part 1. WaLastseen detailed overview. Before we head into the main details, have a look at this innovative tool first. WaLastseen is basically a platform that gives you the ability to see the last seen of a certain contact with its innovative tracking abilities. The best part about this tool is that it's not limited to one contact only. What I mean is that users can know the online or offline status of more than one contact. In addition, WaLastseen's performance is incredible, as it ensures that you won't face any lag issues while accessing the online or offline information of the contacts. You know what? This tool also allows you to compare one or more chats. Interesting, right? So if you want to spy on two contacts and their activities, just add them to a comparison tool and track the similarity between their activities seamlessly. Part 2. How to add WhatsApp contacts. Moving on to our main topic today, let's discuss how you can add certain contacts to this application to track their activity. Overall, this process is straightforward. Just try to follow each step I will perform now. Step 1. First, install the WaLastseen WhatsApp tracker from the Play Store and tap the Add Contacts option from the main interface of this online activity tracker. After that, a pop-up will be displayed where WaLastseen will ask you for permission to access your contacts. There, hit the Allow button and proceed. Step 2. After granting access, you will be directed to the contact list, where you have to choose the Add button after locating the desired number. Other than that, if the contact is not on the list, simply press the plus Add New button from the top right corner of the screen and monitor a new contact. Pick the country code, add the contact's name, and hit the Start Tracking button. Step 3. As you tap the Start Tracking button, you will be located on the pricing screen to choose the desired plan. Once you decide on the plan, pick the Buy Now button to finalize the contact according to the process. After it's added, tap it and access the Activity tab on the following screen. From here, you can observe the online activity charts and then online or offline status under the Timeline section. Part 3. How to link WhatsApp within the WaLastseen app. Now that you've added the contact, there is an additional linking process that you must perform before tracking someone's activity. Linking WhatsApp within this tracking application. There are two ways to link. Link with WhatsApp friends and link with non-WhatsApp friends. Don't worry, it won't be hectic at all, trust me. Follow me and see how you can link WhatsApp within the WaLastseen app. First, we will explore how you can link with your WhatsApp friend. Link your WhatsApp friends. Step 1. Move to the contact you just added and tap the Link WhatsApp option placed beneath the number. Next, a pop-up will appear, asking for permission to access WhatsApp details. Choose the Allow option and then Authorize to access the media files. Step 2. Once you authorize, you can fetch the media folder, from which you then have to tap the Use This Folder button. Here, pick the country code and insert the number to receive the verification code for WhatsApp linking. Step 3. After receiving the verification code, enter it and then re-log in to your WhatsApp account. For some reason, if you cannot access the verification code, tap the Link WhatsApp option at the bottom of the screen. This will locate you to a screen where you will get two options. First, if the monitor is connected to the computer, visit the website wa2.vip. There, enter the 6-digit verification code shown in WaLastseen and follow the on-screen instructions. Secondly, if you don't have a computer available, try using the QR code method to link WhatsApp with WaLastseen. In this method, you just have to use your WhatsApp account to scan the QR code to link. Link with non-WhatsApp friends. Remember, WaLastseen requires you to have at least one conversation with the contact whose daily WhatsApp activity you want to track. So if a certain number is not on your friends list, here is how you can start the conversation with them to link in WaLastseen. Step 1. Add the contact you desire to track and press the link with WhatsApp option. If the contact is not on your friend list, WaLastseen will guide you to have at least one conversation with them to establish the link. After you have texted them by following the instructions, tap the link with WhatsApp option once again and hit the authorize button on the permission guide. Step 2. Next, you can access the media folders where you have to choose the use this folder option to let WaLastseen fetch the media files. Then, follow the same procedure of linking WhatsApp contacts all over again. This will include adding the country code and name as per your preferences. After inserting credentials, pick the next option to proceed. Step 3. At this point, enter the verification code sent to you via SMS and log in again to see if it's linked. In case of verification issues, choose the link WhatsApp option to see possible options to successfully link WhatsApp with WaLastseen. You can establish a connection using the URL on the computer or share the QR code with another mobile device to link the WhatsApp account. Part 4. How to track the online activity of your WhatsApp contacts with WaLastseen. Now that you have linked both WhatsApp and non-WhatsApp contacts with WaLastseen, you will be surprised to know what you can do with the tool. I can't tell you about the features right now because this will just confuse you, so follow me to the end since I am going to enclose some of the most essential ones here. Get instant notifications. First, you can get instant notifications with WaLastseen to know when a certain person is online or offline. Here is how to enable notifications from the app settings. Access the home screen of WaLastseen and tap on the profile icon from the main interface. Then choose notification settings from the list of options and toggle online and offline notifications to get instant notifications. Know the time spent online of your added contact. Other than the status, you can also monitor the time someone is spending on WhatsApp, whether you are a parent trying to keep an eye on the kid's activity or someone who wants to spy on another person. This feature is the best choice to make tracking easier. So now follow me along and see how you can use this feature on WaLastseen. To begin with, tap the contact's name from the main interface and choose the Activity tab from the new screen. After that, you can observe the charts and graphs to analyze the pattern of online activity. Later, navigate to the timeline section and observe when a person came online and offline during a certain time period. Customize WhatsApp tracking with WaLastseen. Since you have gathered the idea that when a certain person comes online and offline, you can now continuously track their performance for a certain duration. Amazing, right? In simple terms, you can customize the duration within which you want to track activity. Here is how you can do this. Upon accessing the online activity statistics of the newly added contact, enter the Customize tab. Now tap the plus Add Custom button to reach a new bottom-up menu. From here, choose the days and times you want to track the online activity. After naming this customized activity tracker, hit the Save button to complete this task. Compare chat probability. While tracking the activity for a certain duration, if you see any suspicious activity, like them contacting a specific person, why not try to compare both chats? It's simple. Let me guide you through how to do this without being caught. Step 1. Start by adding the first number. Once it's added, choose the plus Add Contact button to reach a new screen. From here, press the Add option alongside the other contact you desire to add for comparison. Moving on, pick the country code and hit the Start Tracking option to insert this contact for monitoring. Step 2. Now that both contacts have been added, tap the Compare button and confirm the contact selection by choosing the OK button. This app will then share statistics that show the online overlapping times of both added contacts. Keep tabs on multiple contacts. As I mentioned at the start of this video, WaLastseen allows you to monitor more than one contact to determine which one is available to chat to. Anyhow, follow me and see how you can activate this feature. Step 1. Add contacts by following the methods I have discussed before. Then press the Start Tracking option after inserting the country code and name details. Step 2. Now that you have added multiple contacts, tap the one whose activity you desire to track. On the new screen, pick the Activity tab and view the online timeline and charts to understand the usage pattern of certain contacts. Now, to wrap up, WaLastseen is a powerful tool for those who want to stay updated on the online activities of their WhatsApp contacts. From adding and linking contacts to getting instant notifications, this video has covered all the essential features of this app. Moreover, with customizable tracking options, WaLastseen enables you to gain insights seamlessly and stay connected like never before. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this.